Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add gradient color to whole text in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add gradient color to whole text. Firstly, click the text, then click inside the text box and select the whole text. Click and drag on our mouse. Otherwise, you can press Ctrl A on our keyboard to select all. Then go to the font color option and we can see here the gradient. Now we go to the gradient and select the gradient stops and choose color. Now I am select a color, then go to the another stop and choose another color. Now we can see we add gradient color to whole text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.